Good morning. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is a market that I've identified this week as being set up for short with the commitment to trader strategy. So, interestingly enough, also the currencies are all like very strongly set up for shorts, which would suggest some US dollar strength is around the corner, and US dollar strength would be bearish for gold. So, that's a nice confluence, but let's get right to the strategy. So, as always, I like to start with the commitment of traders, commercial positioning. So, we see on the commercial index relative to their positioning in the last 6 months, commercials are very short the gold market. So that's sell signal number one. I like to see at least three of these in alignment. So next I look at the net positioning of the commercials. So we see down here in this red line, seeing this overall consolidation and then this move up since June. We've seen that the commercials have just been selling and selling, selling. So that's bearish. So that's a sell signal number two for me. The next thing I like to see is there any extreme in positioning? And we see right here where we are right now, it's an extreme short position last seen in January of 2021. So that's bearish as well. So those are some very strong sell signals. We also have overvaluation relative to the price of bonds. So here we see gold is overvalued relative to US Treasuries. So that is also a sell signal. And there's more of these for gold. We go to the true seasonal here. Right at this blue line, we see the true seasonal for gold is typically September is a horrible month for gold and equities. So we see that until kind of the end of September, early October, it's bearish gold. So that's also another check mark. So we got lots of reasons to go short gold here if we get a trend change on the daily. One thing I also look at is spread divergence and to see if there's also a premium in the marketplace. So right now in gold, there is no front month premium, but we do have spread divergence that is bearish. So what I do is I go into barchart.com. I look to see, is there a front month premium? So right now we see the front month is trading at less than the further months out. So no, so that's okay. So now we also look, so we're going to compare the price of the October contract to the price of the November to the price of the November contract. Now let me just confirm. Sorry, the price of the December contract to the February. So I'm going to go into my spread section here. So I'm going to go GC Z24 minus GCG25. So I got GCZ 2024 up here, and then right here I created a spread line and I go GCZ 2024 minus, or the difference, what's the spread between the next month out. We see here price has been drifting up, but the spread has been basically weakening. So that's bearish, some bearish divergence on the spread. So that's a sell signal as well. So we also have some supplementary indicators telling us to short this market as well. So before I get to that though, what are the small specs doing? So we see the small speculators are relative to the last 6 months. They're overly bullish in their positioning. I would have loved to have seen this net positioning line come up and get to an extreme. So it's not perfect, but they are overall still in a sell signal here on the index. And then with our supplementary indicators, we've got divergence here happening on the insider accumulation. Actually, could be argued we're actually getting a bullish signal here. So that's kind of a conflicting signal on the accumulation. But we do have a sell signal in the percent R, and the stochastics are giving a sell signal. And then we also have divergence in momentum. So price making a higher high, momentum making a lower high. So if we do get a weekly close below this level, that'd be a significant shift in momentum, but that's not confirmed. That's just something to watch. So overall, gold is something I've been watching for weeks that's been fundamentally set up for a short. So if you have any questions about how to trade this or this strategy, this commitment to trader strategy, feel free to give me a message. Just remember, this doesn't mean I'm just looking to short this on the open on Sunday night. This means if we get a confirmed trend change to the downside, I'll be looking to get short this market. And that is it. I wish you guys a good week and good luck and good trading.